What's up, world? It's your guy, Terrence Baldwin, here with Meow Academy. Meow is music education on wheels. But due to the recent pandemic here, or the COVID-19 or the coronavirus, whatever you call it, our students have not been able to come into our facility and get their weekly lessons. And since then, schools have been canceled. A lot of kids just at home throughout the day and they're not getting that enrichment that they need. Well, no problem, no need to fear. Music Education on Wheels is now music education over Wi-Fi. That's right. If you have an internet connection, a mobile device, a keyboard, guitar, drums, voice, we can facilitate your child's music learning over the internet. So please give us a call today for your online lessons. But today I'm here to give you a free lesson. All over the internet, Tyler Perry started the Whole World in His Hands challenge. People have been singing it. We want to show our kids, and even if you're not a part of the Meow family, if you have a kid at home and they have a piano or a keyboard, they can sit down and learn how to play. He has the whole world in his hands. We challenge you to upload your child playing Whole World in His Hands. Tag us in it. For our students, you better play and you better play it right. That's right, don't embarrass me. So check out this quick video. All right, here we go. So whether you're one of our intermediate students or our beginning students, our older students to our younger students, you can play this song. Most of you have had interaction with the C chord. If you're playing two hands, cool. If you're just playing the melody, I'll just start off with the melody. It's based off the C chord. He's got the whole world in his hands. That's the first one. The second one is, he's got the whole world. Back to in his hands. The third one is just like the first one. He's got the whole world in his hands. The last one, he's got the whole world in his hands. All right, that's the melody in the right hand. For my intermediate students who knows the C chords, we have two chords. The C chord is C, E, G. You play all three of those notes at the same time. The second chord is G7. Slide that pinky down to B, two finger to F. That's the G7 chord. So that's all your fingers are doing, sliding to these two chords. All right? So it'll sound like this. He's got the whole world in his hands. 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 You got it? Just like that. Upload your video. Let us know how it sounds. Peace.